A, fill in the blanks with appropriate article and preposition. देखो, the Aryans were very proud, that's their high birth. They were afraid of getting mixed up, that's the tribes. It was that's false pride. আমরা এখানে যে তিনটা গ্যাপ দেখলাম, প্রথম গ্যাপে প্রাউড রয়েছে, প্রাউডের পর অফ বসে, প্রাউডের পর অফ বসে। এখানে উত্তর হবে the Aryans were very proud of their high birth. They were afraid of getting mixed up এর পরে with হবে, with the tribes, with mixed up with the tribes. It was dash false pride হবে, it was a false pride. তাহলে প্রথমে হবে of, তারপরে with, তারপরে হবে অর্থাৎ a।